Hey, morning there, big guy.
What's up, bro? Boys, what's up? Is it that time?
Yeah, it is.
Made good timing, right?
Well, you said 7:30 and it's now 8:15, but close enough.
Waiting, huh?
I mean, yeah.
Boys, back in action. We're back in the action. A little bit of a late night, to be honest. And
A late night. You got in at like 5, or didn't? Oh man.
Yeah.
Is that just what you do now that your egg cooker's broken?
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, wow, you're really making a meal out of this.
Welcome to the lifestyle, boys. You know how I went out with last night?
Ooh.
Drake. Not the regular Drake, not the crazy one. I'm saying for the boys, not the crazy Drake, but yeah.
Oh, lame Drake.
Yeah, that guy sucks, bro.
Why'd you even go out with that guy?
I didn't see him for so long, bro. I just thought.
Isn't that a good thing, though?
Oh, he's just a douche.
He really is. Alright, so Brand just went to change his hat for the 3rd time. Still seems a little dopey from last night. I think we gotta wake this boy up. We gotta get this.
I might still be a little dopey, bro. I heard you.
Yeah?
We're getting there, boys. We're getting there. I just woke up a little bit.
You're hitting that water pretty hard, eh? Still feeling from last night?
Still hungover again.
Yes. How about we remedy that? You got some stuff downstairs. You want a bit?
Fancy stuff?
Oh, nothing but the best.
Really? Boys, I heard him talking in the other room. Yeah, now you're getting real good at this stuff. Where like I F off for a little bit, you start filming. This is what you're meant to do. Be cool online with an idiot or something. You having some?
Maybe.
Boys, we're going to a barbecue in a little bit. This is why we're filming so freaking early right now. It's like an early brunch or something. I don't really know. Somebody's birthday. Yeah. Sorry, I'm already leading you over. I'm pretty sure I know what you're talking about, yo.
Yeah, no, we've been through this routine before.
What do you do? Sometimes you gotta bite the horse's wiener or something.
I think it's hair of the dog, but you could use that one too, I guess.
I'm hearing the wiener right now, boys. All right, you pick for me. Let's go. Then we're gonna get into this video, boys. Sometimes you gotta bite the horse's wiener, you know. Bro, I can't even think right now, man. It's a long night.
You're really on this horse wiener thing.
Well, I can't remember. I don't know anything. Thank you for in charge of this. In charging. Ooh, veggies. Nice. Got some Coca-Cola. We're good to go. Let's go upstairs, man.
All right, hold on a sec here. It's a piece of crap. That was really screwing up the audio.
Oh, thanks, bro. Look at this kid, bro. I try to care. I do care, but I care about the entertainment, not the video things, as you guys know. Let's go upstairs, bro. Let's figure this thing out. All right, boys, we're ready to go. We got another buying off Instagram ads or certain websites. Any ad that I put in the title. I think this was off Instagram. Anyway, we're doing full send merch today, boys. Off Instagram ads. We've done this in the past where we buy things off Instagram ads. That seems kind of too good to be true. Sometimes you can find Yeezys on the Instagram. What's up, bro?
Oh, I was just gonna say I'm really stoked for this video.
Yeah. So I showed it because of NELK.
Yeah.
So I showed him NELK for the first time. If you guys don't know NELK, Steve will do it. Kyle, I think Jesse too.
I've been watching those videos all week.
Ian's okay, really?
Yeah.
Right. How many times a week do you watch mine?
It's been a while.
Don't answer. Anyway, boys, I'm glad you're enjoying this. I actually told him the merch we get in this he will keep if it's real. So once again, Instagram ad buying series. Sometimes you buy Yeezys on Instagram that are $500 regularly, but they put them up on Instagram as like $30 and you're making big savings. Sometimes we get some real things out of these Instagram ads and TikTok ads. Sometimes we don't. So what I'm gonna do is unbox this free NELK merch. This was all free. All I had to do is pay shipping, legit check it. If it's real, Ian keeps it. If it's fake, we burn it in the yard.
We burn it, all right.
Which we've been doing since we were
We've burned a lot of things.
Well, we've been doing it since we were 8 years old, at least. God. Oh. Yeah, we had pyros or something. Which isn't cool to do, but we had some good times burning in your sandbox. Not us, but like burning things in your sandbox. Sandbox? We must have been younger.
We were. I don't even remember, honestly. That was.
I feel like at that age, we both weren't even allowed to hang out with each other. We just burnt things when I went over to your house. Anyway, boys, we're checking out NELK's free merch off freaking companies, and it's right here. To be honest, I'm gonna just crumple it
Why?
Like that.
Why do you do that?
Because we don't want our address out there again, yeah.
Oh, right? You got those dilds.
We got some dildos in the mail for a while from you guys, bro. I guess one video. I can't even find the video. I have my address. I said somebody sent me a dildo in the mail, and you guys have been sending it ever since, at least once a month. So
yeah,
please refrain from doing that. Although it could be worse, you know. It could be worse. Anyway,
yeah,
boys.
Could just be you ordering them.
You know it might be. Sometimes you get a little drunk. No. Anyway, boys. Full Send merch. It's free online. Just check it out. See if it's real. Alright, boys. Some boxes now. Merch. Ian, don't get this part on camera. I can't show who it's from. Nothing like that. Just sit there, bro.
Is there a reason you're sitting on the floor?
Nope. Maybe. Okay, alright, okay, so I forgot to mention, boys, I didn't remember a lot of what I got. This took forever to come in. We got Full Send stickers, decals. What's that look like? Ian, if it's real, you keep it.
Alright, come on.
If it's real, you keep it. So we got 4 here. That would have been a free thing that I found. It says full pack, Full Send stickers, no half sends. That actually, I don't know how to legit check that next, but this is all from the same website, so if we have a shirt or something, I can check the tags.
Yeah, it's probably all the same, I would think.
Next, really trying to hide who we got this from, boys, because I'm not trying to promote the fakes. Not when, so the thing about Full Send, bro, if it's still a thing, I don't think they're making, or at least NELK, they're not making like videos off like, or not making money off videos anymore. I think what they do is like make it off merch and like a bunch of other things, obviously. You feel me? But I think mostly off YouTube. Anyway, so I respect the merch grind. What do we have here? Is this this is a cape, bro? Oh, we got a cape.
A cape?
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of sick.
Oh, it's a cape. Look at it go. I don't even remember buying this.
Oh shit. Oh, it's backwards.
Oh. How's that? I don't know how to legit check this either, bro. Although I can look the bag.
Is that a cape or a flag?
It's a cape.
Oh yeah. Huh. I don't know if I've ever seen like
I actually think it might be a
like
flag. Yeah, because it's got these grommets here. That's a flag. And it says anally on it. Yeah, so that's definitely not them.
Anally?
Anally.
Are you?
A-N-L-E-Y.
I think that's just Anley.
Guys, I'm dyslexic. You're my cameraman. You're supposed to back me up. Oh, shoot. Yeah, it was okay. No, yeah, I guess it's missing an E. Anyway, we got that. That right there just shows me it's probably fake. I feel like they'd have Full Send on it. I'm pretty sure they brand all their stuff. So that's not real. And it's not looking like you're getting your merch. Maybe I'll let you keep the, no, I can't for the video, but maybe I'll let you keep this one. Or no, I'll just buy you the real merch. We got Full Send right there, boys. What else do we have? We have, that's it. No, we have one more. Okay, goddamn, bro. I was like, if I bought one, like a sticker and a cape for this video, I was gonna kill myself. Can't say that either. All right, Full Send shotgun tool. See, I know they've made these. I now remember buying this one. I know they've made these. I'm sure they've made capes or tarps, if you will.
Flags.
Flags. We have the, you know what this is?
Did you say a shotgun tool?
Yeah, what do I ask you to do every week since you were probably 12?
Shotgun?
Yeah. Ian's now getting old, so there's been years of this. Yeah, so what that is a shot. I don't know how that works. I ain't never had a tool like this. I just have a knife or a key.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever...
But it says Full Send, and I know they put those out. So I'm kind of baffled here. I'm not really sure. It's definitely fake. I guess I'm just gonna go on. Like, it was free with like $150 shipping, maybe $100 shipping. $100 shipping. Same as my website, NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. Mystery box is down below. Boys, what you need to do is go check out the link down below and you can see what's in your mystery box. They're $24.99 only. And you're guaranteed to get more money's worth than you spent on the mystery box. So you could get a mystery box that's $24.99. Could cost like $50 for us to make. You feel me? One person that buys one is also gonna get an Xbox Series X, a new one, or PS5 in their mystery box. Like, one person will get one of those. So that's super sick. Cool.
Shipping isn't really $150, is it? Good God.
I don't know. I can't really remember too much of what I bought. But yeah, full send shotgun tool, I think is what they call it. I doubt it's real.
I'm not sure how you would use that thing even.
Well, I'm assuming, yeah, you poke that into the can. That'd be the poker right there. I don't know. I've only used knives and, like I said, like teeth and stuff. But I think we're just gonna chalk this up as being fake, and you know what the right thing to do is?
Burn it. Pulling out the old blowtorch again. You know, I've been reading the comments, and people keep saying they want the old NameBran, but he never went away, man. He's just gotten a. Wow, that was close. He's just gotten a little more cautious sometimes. Yeah, with YouTube only.
In real life, not so much.
Oh. Whew. But what the heck is that?
Other old merch. That wasn't real.
Wow. Wow, you really are a man of your word.
Yes, sir. We don't support this, boys.
How?
We don't support the fake selling.
How did you put the blowtorch out already?
I ran too fast. I'm the fastest kid in the world, bro.
Wow, this stuff.
Well, that's enough, I think.
This stuff doesn't really hold a flame very well, does it?
We gotta remember there's a fire ban where we are, so.
Yeah, it's actually pretty windy today.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't do that. Anyway, boys, thank you.
Man, that thing leaks propane. Holy.
Yeah, that's a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is enough destroyed for now. Boys, there's a fire ban, so I can't really learn a bunch of stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Marking the game, the greatest of all time. Ian, turn it back to yourself as well. And I'll come with you. What do we say? We love you guys to death. You guys are sick.
Yeah, you guys are sick.
The greatest people ever, and I'm gonna go edit this video before going to this barbecue. Something like that. Cool. Bye.
See ya.